Meet Renee, a customer service manager at a busy electronics company who is always looking for ways to proactively improve customer service. Having recently approved a smartwatch warranty extension for one of her agents, Alex, she's curious to see how many cases have been opened recently that involve warranty questions. So Renee opens her favorite ally, Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights, which helps her improve productivity with innovative AI capabilities. She notices a spike in the number of warranty-related cases that have been opened in the past month and drills down within the dashboard to find out why. She sees that most customers seem to be interested in understanding how much more time they have left on their smartwatch warranty. Renee can also see that her agents are spending a disproportionate amount of time handling these warranty-related inquiries. To turn this insight into action, Renee chooses to empower her AI virtual agent to make recommendations related to smartwatch warranties and proactively free up time for her live agents to focus on more complex service issues. Because Customer Service Insights and Virtual Agent for Customer Service operate off of a unified technology infrastructure, Renee is able to easily create a new topic using existing data to train Virtual Agent to handle more customer-specific warranty questions. After implementing this new topic within her Virtual Agent, Renee begins seeing a decrease across her team in the volume of customer warranty questions. She also notices an increase in her organization's CSAT scores for efficiently handling one of the most frequently asked questions by an intuitive, personable virtual agent. Thanks to Customer Service Insights, Renee was able to identify an opportunity to resolve emerging issues before they impacted more customers, while also increasing operational efficiency. Gain comprehensive visibility into your service operations with Customer Service Insights to improve customer satisfaction, optimize agent productivity, and improve overall customer service experience using out-of-the-box insights. With Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights built-in AI, business intelligence, and machine learning capabilities, you'll make better decisions and proactively improve customer satisfaction every day. Get started here.